515 Whitlock padlock renovation. The gutter's gonna need to be cleaned up. Doorbell button's broken. I no power to check any of the appliances. You see we got several stains in the carpets throughout. Some of them may not come up, need to be checked out. Also a rip here by the furniture wheel. Several markings and nail holes throughout in the walls. All the trim and all the doors and door cases are going to need to be painted as well. Color is softer tan. Smoke carpet work. All the appliances need to be cleaned up. Door handle for the refrigerator is broken. Needs to be replaced. Top cover to the dishwasher, the hide up underneath the counter is missing. Needs to be replaced. Sitting water in the dishwasher. See no previous water damage. Casing to the laundry area is cracked. Needs to be repaired. More stains in the carpets. Semi-large trash out. Multiple bed frames and grills, bites, household goods on the outside. No previous water damage. Toilet solution on the floor. Needs to be repaired. Seats tight. Bedroom door. Go off the hinges. Needs to be repaired. Also got a doorknob size hole behind the door. More stains in the carpets. Another small hole in the wall. Toilet and seats tight. Broken towel holder. Needs to be replaced. Got possible smoke or burn stain in the ceiling. It's going to need to be painted. Large amount of trash left on the side of the room. The tenant stated that she called 311 and scheduled to be picked up on 9/22. Grills, chair, coolers, bicycle. Utility closet is missing the doorknob. And that's about it.